What's up everybody? 3-Minute Friday. Short videos like this, maximum information in the shortest amount of time. Let's get this done. Today we talk about problems with your draw hand in Mediterranean shooting. So what we have often, people shoot Mediterranean and they don't put the fingers of the string in the groove. They pull the string with the fingertips because they think it's easier. But when you do this, your hand gets tense because you can't hold it like this, especially higher draw weights. Get your fingers, all 3 fingers, in the groove there. Very important. What others do, even if they have the fingers in the string, they pinch the arrow. What can happen when you pinch the arrow too much? Look, my arrow comes off when I pull. So simply put the index finger a little bit away, a small gap. See, and then when I pull, the arrow stays on. When I pinch the arrow, because I think I need to draw the arrow, then the arrow can come off. So we don't want that. Leave a little gap, draw, and shoot. The next thing what I see very often, especially with beginners, they start like this. You see the hand is flat. Then they come back and then they draw with their fingers, you see, and these knuckles come out. Then your release is hard. So when these knuckles come out, it's not going to work. And then they bring the middle finger to the mouth, but it's like this. And then the knuckle is pointing out. The fingers are tense, you see that? This way. And then you have a hard release. Don't do that. You hook your 3 fingers in and your hand stays completely relaxed. See, my knuckles don't show at all. My wrist is relaxed. I draw back, look, my hand is still relaxed and the release is so much more smooth. What could help you when you draw, don't think, oh, I need to bring the middle finger to my mouth and you forget your elbow and your back tension because now I have the middle finger in my mouth. Look, but I'm not even close to full draw. But I have the middle finger in my mouth. What you want to do is, you hook your 3 fingers, you relax your hand, your wrist, and then you simply bring your awareness to your elbow. Not your hand. It's not your hand coming to your face. It's the elbow going back in the opposite direction until the middle finger comes naturally to the corner of your face. And see, everything is relaxed. And then you can shoot. Focus on your elbow. This elbow goes in a straight line back until the middle finger comes naturally to the corner of my mouth, and then I let go. And then it's easy peasy, and then I even reach easier when you see it from the back with tense muscles, and I only bring the middle finger to the corner of my mouth, see? No back tension, my elbow is not where it should be. When I think about my elbow, zip, elbow goes back, back tension, everything is fine. When you practice at home, use a mirror or use someone else who is looking at your draw hand, that you don't start tensing up like this. Look, this is not going to work. It will always ruin your shot because your hand is stiff, your wrist is stiff, everything is stiff. And out of a stiff hand, a clean release is almost impossible. This one thing, focus on your hand, relax your wrist, the elbow goes back. You feel these muscles working. Back tension, elbow goes back until the middle finger is there. You need to have a relaxed hand, so relax your hand. Do your warm-ups first, you know, and then relax your hand as good as possible. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Catch you in the next one.